Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Iyali Chapkani. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Korhan family. Even though his son Orhan and oldest grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Farid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Hollis can't take any more of his recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Hali Saga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazim's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazim's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters Suna and Seyran. Number 9. Piazza. Piazza will focus on love, betrayal, and power struggles in the world of media, magazines, and TV series. Munawwar, as burdened as the wedding dress she is said to wear, surrenders her fate to a stranger in a desperate attempt to save her family. Her journey, which begins in a small coastal town, soon carries the dark secret of the past and the ruthless reckonings of the future into the dazzling world of Istanbul. In this world, Turkey's biggest star Kenan Akin takes center stage, not just on the glimmering screens but also in his own solitude and the addictions he cannot escape. Yet neither the bright lights nor the hidden truths can conceal the manipulative force behind him, his mother Kariman Akin. Number 8. Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zambili with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 7. Sahib Sizzler. A story of six siblings Azize, Kamo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardain. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a secluded life in the forest, raising six children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. Number 6. Uzak Shahar. Alia Al Bora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave. Confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region, Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 5. Syakalp. Sumru left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new life and family for herself. Malik and Nu learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans regarding Samit's son from his first marriage, Jihan. The paths of Malik and Nu, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his reluctant fiancée Sivilai. Number 4. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Layla's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems, paying for his mistake with his life. Left homeless and alone, Layla swears revenge on the woman who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Layla returns under the guise of Ella, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living in luxury with her new partner, former football star Tofu. But things take a complicated turn when Layla's childhood savior Chino reappears in her life as Jivan, Noor's adopted son. Number 3. Bir Geze Masalik. Mahir, whose father was assassinated in the city of Denizli by Khurshid Kilimchi, returns 20 years later as a police inspector determined to avenge his father's death. On his first day back, he has a fateful encounter with a mesmerizing girl named Janfiza, the daughter of Khurshid, and instantly falls in love. As Mahir searches for this mysterious woman, he also keeps a close watch on Khurshid, waiting for him to slip up. Mahi realizes his chance will come at the wedding of Kurshad's daughter, but what he doesn't know is that this event will change his life forever, marking the beginning of a night filled with unexpected twists. Number 2. Bahar. Bahar 20 years ago graduated from medical school but chose to be a housewife instead of pursuing a career in medicine. She is married to the successful surgeon Taimur Yavuzolu and has dedicated her life to her husband and children. The seemingly happy Yavuzolu family is shaken by Bahar's illness. Bahar's doctor Avran is determined to save her and says that the only solution is a liver transplant. The only compatible liver in the family belongs to Temur. For the Yavuzolu family, who are tested with a major threshold, nothing will be the same again. Number 1. Hadutsu Sevda. Hadutsu Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karasu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to flee when he was just 5 years old after his father was murdered by the local crime boss, Rizwan Lito. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart, Yasmin. But when Rizwan's son murders Yasmin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Leto. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Zainab's schoolgirl crush on Halil is soon rekindled, and before long she falls madly in love with her father's enemy. And there is nothing more dangerous than a Black Sea woman in love. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.